Alright. Well, you see that 120 volt LED? That's hooked directly to the charge battery terminals on this Bedini setup here. The charge battery has no connections on it. The connections go directly to that 120 volt LED bulb. Look at the output. I got no circuit at all on that. And that bulb cluster over there is coming off the secondary dipole. Look at the brilliance of those bulbs. Now I'm going to go check it with the lux meter. Okay, you're getting 600. There's a lux meter on that bulb. 600 off the cluster. Okay, at this point. And I said I was going to have a tripod for this. It's a 30. Okay. Now, here's what I got on my amp meter with all that lux. 400 milliamps. It's running the ball, the 6 volts in the cluster, and the LED at 40 lux units coming off the charge battery panel. I thought I might demonstrate this effect. You see what's going on with the DC amps? Okay. Look at the size of that spinner. I think that's a 1 7/8 ball. Okay? And you can hear what's going on. It's speeding up and slowing down. When it speeds up, it takes power. It's up to 800 milliamps. When it slows down, it sends power back. It goes from 800, and now it's slowing down, and it's sending power back down to 200. And you can see the lamps over there. I have a lux meter set up. Here it goes, 249, 190, 190, 220, 230, 240, 250. There it's slowing down, 190, 200, 190. There it goes again, 240, 235, etc. Now, it's interesting, I demonstrated this other lamp working off the BEMF, just wired directly to the output terminals. I'm going to try that again. Okay, I got that hooked up, and that registered about 50 lux units. It's kind of difficult to see. I'm trying to film outside here. But when I disconnect it, you'll see the difference as it goes out, I think. Anyway, it's visible here. But it's a pretty steady light. Let me try something. Yeah. Okay. I'll get the lux meter on. See what the hell I get. Let's see on election. 43, 42. I'm measuring this 70. I got a 68 to 70 on a lux meter coming off this. That's pretty damn good. Just coming off the back EMF. And of course, those bulbs over there, they're coming off the output. Okay. Coming from the interaction, electrochemical interaction.